Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to make a business website for free on WordPress. So the very first thing that we should do here is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the very top, well then just have to type out WordPress. So this is currently my website. So here you just have to type out WordPress. Okay, and then just have to select the first website that you can see, and then here you just have to make sure that you have created your WordPress account. Okay, so just check that right here, and after you log in, you'd be redirected now to your home page. So as you can see right here, this is my website. So currently we have to set up this website first. So let us view this site. Okay, so the current theme that I'm using is this one. So we are going to customize this theme, and I'm going to show you as well on how we can find free themes. Okay, so right here at the right side, we have here our site title. Okay, so if you would like to create a new site, just click on this new at the top left. Now here at the bottom right, we have this site title, the quick links, and more. So say for example you would like to add a page, so just click on the add page option. You can also add here a domain, manage all domains. So for this example, we are going to build a website for free. So we have to exclude on adding a domain because we have to pay for an amount if we would like to add a domain. So here, just go to the appearance, and then we'll be able to see here the themes. Okay, so we can use a search bar and search for a specific theme. So since we are trying to build a business website, so just click on the business on the category section. So when you clicked on the business, you'd be able to see here all of the templates that you can use. But some of the templates right here are not for free, so you just have to look for the free template. Okay, so see for example, we would like to use this one. Okay, so we have here the style variations, but of course we have to pay for an amount if you would like to access this one. So we are going to utilize all of the free here on WordPress. Okay, so say for example we are going to use this one. Okay, and then clicked on the preview and customize or activate this design. So we have to unlock the premium styles, so we have to upgrade our plan to a premium one in order for us to use the other style variations. So here we can click on the preview and customize. So when you clicked on it, we redirected to this page where we can start customizing this website. But since we have selected the style variation that is not for free, so we cannot access this feature. But of course we have an option right here to click on the remove premium styles so that we can customize this website. Okay, so you can see that option right here at the top left, so beside the upgrade site. Okay, so your site includes premium styles that are only visible to visitors after upgrading the premium plan or higher. So what you can do here now is we just have to simply click on the remove premium style option. Then after that, we can now start customizing this theme. So for example, we are going to type out right here our site title. Okay, so I'm just going to name this one as real estate. And then here we also have the about section. And then remember, in order for us to add a new page, we just have to go back to our home page, and then like what I have showed you earlier, you can add a page from there. Next is we are going to add here now our own text. So just click on this one right here. Then we are going to change this one. So of course the codes or the paragraph or the details that you're going to put here, it should be connected of the business website that you are creating. So since this is a real estate website, so maybe I'm just going to type out we are a real estate agent company. And then if you would like to bold the text, you just click on the bold option. And then if you would like to add a highlight, or you can also inline the image, you can also add here an inline code. So you just have to go to this settings. So here, so for example, we are going to change the highlight. So just make sure that the highlight that you are going to use would be functional, or it will make the text visible. So I think I'm just going to use the block one. Okay, so here just go to the highlight and then select the correct color. Okay, and as you can see right here, we cannot really upload our own image right here. So what we can do is to find another theme or another template. Okay, but let us try to utilize if what else can we do using this theme. So here, when you click on this one, you can change the color. Here we can also duplicate this one. We can copy the styles. We can paste styles right here. So for you to know, using the correct free themes in WordPress is essential for creating a functional and visually appealing and user-friendly website without incurring extra cost. So let us try to find a better theme. So right here, you just have to click on this view option and then you just have to select the free one, and then it will show you all of the business theme free results. Okay, so we are going to use this one. When you click on it, you will then just have to click on the activate at this side, and from here you can now start customizing this theme for our website. Okay, so we can start by selecting or uploading our own media. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. Then after that, just click on select. Now for our site title, I'm going to name this one as real estate. Okay, that's right. And the next thing is we are going to add here a little description or a short description for our website. Okay, so you can ask an AI to assist you if what kind of description they want to create. But of course, you can also use an online tool, which is the ChatGPT, so you can have a more improved description for your website. So I'm just going to exclude this one, so I'm just going to remove that. And then we have here the about us button. So the purpose of this one, when someone clicks on it, so we are going to link this button to your about us section. You just have to click on it and then click on the linked option and just have to paste there the URL. Okay, and then next thing that we should do now is we are going to change the image of this section. So just click on it and click on the replace option, and then just have to click on the upload. Okay, and then you'd be redirected to your computer, so you just have to select the image that you wanted to use. So just click on it and then click on open after that. Okay, so now that we have successfully our own image, we can now proceed and then add all of the following details. So when you scroll down right here, we can add a new details or a description of the website that we are building. So the right theme ensures the compatibility with your website purpose and functionality, providing a design that aligns with your branding and content. So free themes from reputable sources are regularly updated for security, ensuring the risk of vulnerabilities. Okay, so they're also optimized for responsiveness, ensuring your website looks great on all devices. Additionally, these themes often support essential plugins, enhancing features like SEO, performance, and accessibility. So choosing the right free theme helps streamline the development process, saves time, and ensures a solid foundation for your website. So here, if you would like to add a new section, you can click on this plus icon or the add new block option. So here you can add paragraph, buttons, image, or columns. So for example, we are going to add columns right here. So I'm going to use this 3 columns. Okay, and then next is we are going to add here now an image. So it's up to you if you would like to add here a paragraph for the first column, an image for the second column, and then for the last column, it's up to you what kind of element you want to add. So for the 3 columns right here, I'm just going to add 3 different images. Okay, so since we are building a business website for real estate, I'm going to use real estate images property right here. Okay, so for our last column, just have to click on upload, and then you just have to select the image that you want to upload from your computer. Okay, and then after that, we can now add here more details. Okay, so see, for example, we would like to add here a cover. Okay, so we have an option also if you would like to delete a specific section, so just click on it and then click on delete. Okay, so you just have to scroll down and see if you need all of the features or all of the elements here on this theme. So if you would like to change it, just have to click on it and then type out your own text or your own details. Okay, so after that one, you can click on the plus icon again at the top left of your screen. And then if you'd like to add a paragraph, so you can do that. You can add here heading. So I'm just going to add here a very simple code that is connected to our business website. Okay, so for example, buy your new safe space. Okay, so just as simple as this one. Okay, so here we can click on the plus icon once again, and then if we would like to add an image, we can add a gallery. We can also add audio right here, and then if you would like to add a cover, so just go here and then just click on the cover option. Okay, so for example, I would like to add a cover right here, so I'm just going to click on the cover and then just click on upload after that, and then just have to choose the cover that you want to use. Okay, so we have this cover, and then the next thing that you should do now is to customize the rest of the elements in this theme. Okay, so when I scroll down right here, we have so many elements to delete or to customize. And of course, customizing the elements of a WordPress theme and tailoring it to your needs is a vital for creating a website that stands out and aligns with your goals. So by adjusting the elements like fonts, colors, layouts, and images, you can ensure the design reflects your brand identity, and delivers a unique user experience. So personalization also allows you to emphasize key features, enhance navigation, and optimize the usability for your target audience. So with WordPress flexible customizer and page builders, these changes can often be made without coding, giving you control over your website's look and functionality. So customizing a theme transforms a generic template into a powerful tool that meets your specific needs and engages your visitors effectively. And also, in designing for different views, mobile, desktop, and tablet is essential for creating a responsive and user-friendly website. So each device offers a unique user experience due to variations in screen size, resolution, and interaction methods. So ensuring your website adapts to these differences provides consistency and accessibility across all platforms. So mobile views require simplicity, clear navigation, and quick load times, catering to users in smaller screens. So desktop views offers more screen real estate, allowing more complex layout and detailed content presentation. So now that you are done designing your website and you want to publish this one, next thing that we should do is we have to launch this site. So what we can do here is to choose a domain. Because in WordPress, the domain serves as a unique address that allows users to access your website on the internet. So it is the URL people type into their web browser to reach your site. So basically, the domain is a critical element of your WordPress website, serving as its online identity and making it accessible to users while enhancing the credibility and search visibility. So we have here the different plans or the different domains that we can use. So here for the personal, we have this amount for premium, business, commerce, and enterprise. So if you would like to use that one, just have to click on the select option, and then here it'd be redirected to the checkout page. So right here you'd be able to see the amount that you are going to pay and then the total amount. So in WordPress, you can actually create and build your business website for free, but of course at the end, if you would like to launch that site or that business website, you have to buy a domain. And if you choose to not purchase a custom domain for a WordPress website, your site will typically use a free subdomain provided by WordPress.com on your web host. So while this is cost-effective option, it has certain limitations. So your website will lack professionalism, limited branding, reduced the control, and SEO limitations. Custom domains tend to rank better on search engines as they reflect a more established and credible presence. And if your goal is to create a personal blog or test ideas, a free subdomain may suffice. However, for businesses or long term projects, purchasing a custom domain is highly recommended to establish a professional, trustworthy, and easily recognizable online presence. But of course, a free domain, it is cost free, quick setup, and beginner friendly. So it is ideal for personal projects, experimentation, or portfolios when a professional domain isn't necessary. And when using a free subdomain eliminates the need of the upfront costs associated with the purchasing and renewing a custom domain. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.